Hello, it's Chinese Vivian Didi. Today I went to sing in Thailand to discuss a big project I will do in society and very meaningful and enjoy a very good food in sing in Thailand. Wow, it's very delicious. And you know, in Taiwan have many good things you can eat and very yummy and delicious. And I feel very relaxed. And now I take the local train from Jiayi. On the way, I will back to my Dona, my parents' home. It's my hometown. And I enjoy all the trip today. And I feel very rich and satisfied today.